Hi guys, this is Jarjar and once again welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I last cooked a meal. Have been busy and today is a public holiday, so I decided that perhaps I can cook a simple meal today. Just going to fry an onion egg and some salmon later. So I've added the oil is getting hot. I'm going to first fry the onion. So here goes the onion. As usual, the onion has to be cooked for a pretty long while. Really soften it so that I can, before I add the egg. For those of you frying onion eggs at home, I don't think you need to cook the onions for too long. Just a while will be good enough. But for my case, I need to make sure it is very soft to suit the palate of my mom. The onions are now a bit brown. I think for most people this will be good enough, but it's still a long way for me to go for my case. Be more or less done right now. I will dish it out and then add into the egg before frying the egg. It's time to add the egg. It looks a bit messy, but normally what I try to do is to make the egg a bit smaller so that it's easier to fit into a small plate. I think it's time to flip the egg. Yay! Nicely golden brown on the other side. Okay, I think the other side is ready too. Just take a look. Yep, it's ready. I think it's time to serve this egg. I've completed the fried onion eggs, washed the pan, and now ready to fry the salmon. So now I'm going to add some oil. Let the oil heat up. I have added all the salmon strips into the pan. So now I'm going to fry them in low heat. The salmon strips have been seasoned with pepper, sesame oil, Hua Tiao Wine, and oyster sauce, the usual ingredients for seafood here in this family. So you're going to take a while, let it slowly fry, and then soon it will be done. I might be a bit greedy to put all the salmon strips into the whole pan, but well, just to save time, I have flipped the salmon strips to the other side. One side is already golden brown. I think it's going to be ready soon. The salmon strips are ready. I shall be dishing them out shortly. And here you have it, a simple meal for lunch today on a public holiday. Salmon strips and fried onion eggs and a simple bowl of fried rice. Bon appetit everyone! It's time to eat! Thank you everyone for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you soon in the next video. Bye!